Hey everyone, welcome back. If the UBS Mobile Banking app crashes the second you open it, shows a white or black screen before you can log in, or just refuses to launch at all, then here's the fix from your iPhone, no login needed. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and close the UBS app completely from your recent apps. Now, press and hold the UBS icon on your home screen. Tap Remove App, then tap Delete App to fully uninstall it. Then, open your App Store, search for UBS Mobile Banking app, and tap Get and reinstall it completely fresh. Corrupted data from a failed update is the most common reason UBS crashes before you can even reach the login screen. A clean reinstall clears all of that instantly. After reinstalling it, if it still crashes, go to your Settings app, then tap General, then scroll down to VPN and Device Management and make sure no VPN is switched on. UBS Bank blocks VPN connection as a security measure and crashes instantly when one is detected. Also, in the settings itself, go back up and click on Software Update and install any available iOS update. UBS regularly drops support for older iOS versions after major releases. So all you gotta do is delete the app, reinstall from App Store, turn off any VPN in the settings, update your iOS and the app will open. Subscribe for more UBS fixes every day.